So, dear student, today's lecture we start the new topic. Their name is the function of lysosomes or lysosomes. They have lots of function of lysosome play in the cells. So, in this topic, we discuss the step by step function of lysosomes. So, first one function of lysosome is the extracellular digestion. So, first one function is the extracellular digestion. What is the meaning of extracellular digestion? So, extracellular digestion is the digestion of material from outside of cell. These also known as or called as extracellular digestion. This is the function, or in this extracellular digestion, the lysosome have some enzymes they can release. Their pH is acidic and they can digest or kill the foreign particles. This is also known as the extracellular digestion. So second one function of lysosome is the intracellular digestion. Intracellular digestion. This is the as it is opposite function of the lysosome. So what is the meaning of intracellular digestion? So these type of digestions inside of the cells. These types of digestions occur in the inside of the cell or cytoplasm of cell. This is also known as the intracellular digestion. Hence, intracellular digestion can divided into the two main types. So first one is the autophagy, and then second is the heterophagy or phagy. This is the main type of the intracellular digestion. So let's discuss. First one type is the autophagy. So in this autophagy, the inside of the cell sometime during starvation condition, during starvation condition, lysosome enzyme digest its on cell organelles. So during starvation condition, lysosomes can digest its on cell organelles. On cell organelles which are present in cytoplasm of cell. This also known as the autophagy, means they can digest the cell organelles, other cell organelles during the starvation condition or less requirement material available. That time they can digest the on or cytoplasmic organelles for the purpose of the getting nutrient. So, and in autophagy, second function or second type is the heterophagy. Heterophagy or heterophagy. In this type, the lysosomes feeding of cell on extracellular materials, means feeding of cell means lysosomes on extracellular material, means outside of the material. This is also called as the heterophagy. This is the heterophagy. Then in heterophagy, the material are digested by secondary lysosome. In heterophagy, the material is digested by secondary lysosomes. We discussed already primary lysosome. In secondary lysosome also, enzymes are active and they can kill or digest the material and particles. This is the another one function of the lysosome. So next one function or third one function of lysosome, very important in the developmental biology. So third one function of lysosome also, they can play role in development. They can play role in the developments. So lysosome can play important role in the development. How they can play important role in the developments? So we already know that time of the fertilization, female fertilization by the sperm, its female egg, it's implant into the uterium, but its egg is not fertilized. Then endometrium break down by lysosome enzyme. Then break down, the endometrium is released out during the menstruation. So lysosome are play important role in the amphibian metamorphosis. During lysosome play important role in the amphibian metamorphosis. During metamorphosis, the tail of tadpole larva, during metamorphosis, the tail of tadpole larva and frog is degraded by the lysosomal enzyme. Larva and frog is degraded by lysosomal enzymes. So this is also role in the developmental biology. Then next one function or fourth one function is the cellular digestion. Fourth one function is the cellular digestion. This is the Fourth one function of the lysosome for cellular digestion means autolysis. This is also called as autolysis. Means autolysis. Auto means self. So meaning of auto means self, and lysis means destruction. Destruction. This is the meaning of autolysis. If superficial cell are damaged, suppose example, if superficial cell of skin is damaged, then the lysosome membrane rupture and release damage, and then the lysosomal membrane release or rupture. Then lysosome membrane release and rupture all release and rupture and release all hydrolytic enzymes hydrolytic enzymes, and then that enzymes are digest the damaged cell of skin or location or of skin or where is the damage occurs, they can digest. This called as the autolysis. This is called as the autolysis. So next one function of lysosome also role in the osteogenesis. So next one function of lysosome also role in osteogenesis. Role in osteogenesis. What is the meaning of osteogenesis? So osteogenesis means the bone cell, okay? Bone formation, bone cell or bone formation. This is the main function of the bone cell. By bone cell formation or bone cell destruction. Destruction means remove, dead करने, remove करने, destruct करने. This is the depend upon the lysosomal activity. Then so next one function of the lysosome means 6 number function of the lysosome is the removal of dead cell. Okay, removal of dead cells. How can lysosome remove dead cell? So let's show the function is a remove of dead cell. Then to scientist Hirsch and Cohen 1964, they can also stated the lysosome, they can stated the lysosome also play function of remove of dead cell. This is the function of lysosomes. And then infected cell. This is the function of the lysosome. So thanks for watching my video. Then you like and subscribe my YouTube channel for updates. Thanks one again. Thank you for